Hi and hello everyone, this is Preeta. We are seeing class 8th chapter 2 exponents or powers. We are going to see recap exercise in this video. So I'm going to start with the first sum. Write the base and exponent of each of the following. So whenever we have a number minus 5 to the power of 4, so we have to find out which is the base and which is the exponent. So number minus 5 is called as a base and 4 is called as exponent. So we just have to write which is base and which is exponent. Same way for the second sum, we have 7 to the power cube. So here base is equal to 7 and exponent, which is the power, is 3. So 7 to the power of 3. Third sum, minus 2 by 3 to the power of 5. So the number which is inside the bracket, the whole is called as a base. So minus 2 by 3. So the number 2 by 3 we call it as a base and the power is 5. So we have 5 as a exponent. And the last sum D, 1 by 2 to the power of 6. So we can write 1 by 2 to the power of 6 as 1 by 2 the whole power of 6, because 1 into 1 into 1 into 1. So 1 to the power of 6 is again going to be 1. So we can write 1 by 2 whole to the power of 6. So the base over here is 1 by 2 and the power over here exponent, which means the exponent is 6. So the base is 1 by 2 and the exponent is 6. We are going to see the second sum. Write the following in exponential form. So exponential form means we have to write in terms of powers. So here they have given minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4, which is they have expanded the form. Whenever we have same base with the different powers, we can always add the powers. Here we have 3 terms, so we can write minus 4 to the power of 1 plus 1 plus 1. So whenever the bases are multiplied, the powers will be added. So which gives minus 4 to the power of 3. We are going to see the second sum, 25 by 81. So we have to write in the form of expanded form, exponential form, which is we have to write in terms of powers. So we can see 25 is 5 into 5. Same way 81 is 9 into 9. So we can write 5 into 5 as 5 square and 9 into 9 as 9 square. So 5 by 9 both have the same powers. So we can write as a whole 5 by 9 to the power of 2. We are going to see the next sum, 4 by 9 into 4 by 9. So we can see 4 by 9, we have 2 4 in the numerator and 2 9 in the denominator. So we can write it as 4 square by 9 square. So this can be written as 4 by 9 the whole square. So again we can try to simplify 4 and 9. So we can try to write 4 as 2 square. So 2 into 2s are 4. So which is 2 square is equal to 4. Same way 9 can be written as 3 into 3s are 9, which is 3 square equal to 9. We have 3 2s. So 3 square equal to 9. So 2 square by 3 square to the power of 2. So whenever we have two powers, 2 square by 3 square whole to the power of square, we can always multiply the powers. So a to the power of m to the power of n. So we can write a to the power of m into n. So we can use this rules. So we will be getting 2 by 3 to the power of 2 into 2. So which is nothing but 2 by 3 to the power of 4. Okay. We are going to see the next sum, 11 by 12 into 11 by 12 into 11 by 12 into 11 by 12. So in the numerator we can see totally we have 411 and in the denominator we can see totally we have 4 12s. So since we have the same base, we can club together and write 11 to the power of 4 by 12 to the power of 4. Since the numerator and denominator have the same base, same power, numerator and the denominator have the same power, we can write as a whole. So 11 by 12 to the power of 4. We are going to see the third sum. Simplify and express the following in exponential forms. So the first sum is 2 to the power of 3 into 2 to the power of 5. So we have to simplify and write it in exponential forms. So we can see 2 base with a different power. So which is of the rule a to the power of m into a to the power of n. We can always add the powers. So a to the power of m plus n. So this can be written as 2 to the power of 3 plus 5, which is nothing but 2 to the power of 8. So 3 plus 5 is 8. So we can write it as 2 to the power of 8. We are going to see the second sum. 4 to the power of 5 into 4 to the power of 3. So we can again use the same rule where we have same base with different powers. So we can write 4 to the power of 5 plus 3, which is nothing but 4 to the power of 8. We are going to see the next sum. Minus 1 by 5 to the power of 2 into minus 1 by 5 to the power of 7. So here also it again applies the same rule where a equal to minus 1 by 5 and the power m is equal to 2 and n is equal to 7. So we can again use the same rule a power m plus n. So minus 1 by 5 to the power of 2 plus 7. So which is nothing but minus 1 by 5 to the power of 9. So the next sum D, 2 by 7 to the power of 4 multiplied by 2 by 7 to the power of 8. So we can still use the same rule. So where 2 by 7 to the power of 4 plus 8. So 4 plus 8 is nothing but 12. So we can write it as 2 by 7 to the power of 12. We are going to see the fourth sum. Simplify the following. So they have given 3 to the power of 8 divided by 3 to the power of 4. So they have used division sign over here. So whenever we have a division, we have two rules. The first one is when the power m, the first term is greater than second term. So then a power m divided by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. And the second rule is whenever n is greater than m, which is the second power is greater than the first one, then a power m divided by a power n has to be written as 1 divided by a n minus m when n, the second number, is greater. Okay, so here we can apply the first rule. M, the first power is greater than the second one. So a power m, we have the same base 3. So we can write it as a power m minus n. So this can be written as 3 to the power of 8 minus 4. So 8 minus 4 is nothing but 4. So the answer is 3 to the power of 4. We are going to see the second sum. 4 by 9 to the power of 2 divided by 4 by 9 to the power of 3. So here we can see the first power 2 is smaller than 3, which means we have to apply the second rule where the second number is greater, second power is greater. So we have to write it as 1 divided by a power n minus m. So 4 by 9 to the power of 2 divided by 4 by 9 to the power of 3 can be written as 1 divided by, here a value is 4 by 9, the base is 4 by 9, 3 minus 2. So the next step is 1 divided by 4 by 9 to the power of 1. So 3 minus 1, 3 minus 2 is 1. So we can write it as 4 by 9 to the power of 1, or we can take 4 by 9 to the numerator, which becomes 4 by 9 to the power of minus 1, or we can reciprocal it and make it as a positive. So 9 by 4 to the power of 1. So we have using another rule. So a to the power of minus 1 equal to 1 by a. So we are using this rule over here. The next sum is minus 6 by 7 to the power of 9 divided by minus 6 by 7 to the power of 4. So here we can see the first value m is greater than the second value. So we can always use the first rule. So this can be written as minus 6 by 7. The base is minus 6 by 7. 9 minus 4. because the first value is greater. So 9 minus 4 is nothing but 5. So minus 6 by 7 to the power of 5 is the answer. So the last sum in fourth Roman letter, 7 by 9 to the power of 4 divided by 7 by 9 to the power of 9. So here we can see the first value m, which is 4, and n, which is 9. So n is greater than m. So we have to use the second rule over here. So we have to write the given information, given sum as 1 divided by a n minus m. So we can write the given sum as 7 by 9 to the power of 9 minus 4. So 1 divided by 7 by 9 to the power of 9 minus 4. So 9 minus 4 is nothing but 5. So 7 by 9 to the power of 5. So we can either write it as 7 by 9 to the power of 5. We can take 7 by 9 to the power of 5 to the numerator, which becomes 7 by 9 to the power of minus 5, or we can try to change the power minus 5 to the positive by reciprocaling the fraction. So 9 by 7 to the power of 5.